Okay, welcome muli po ngayon po sa ating second game for the day between CAS, clad in white and green Qatar Airways logo versus in gray po yan, The Mechanicos. Clad in gray naman po yan, The Mechanicos. Yan. This is your Aviation Friendly League po, aka the Flying League, for the second semi-finals match between CAS and of course Mechanicos. Thank you po. Okay, teka lang po and also we have to give you voice and so take some group videos po. Okay, ito po ang Team CAS po, clinching now. They will now fight against Team Mechanicos and they will now say amin ba itong second seat po ito or Mechanicos will prevail. We will win, who will go home. Coming up next po is Mechanicos and CAS. Okay, thank you po. Okay, ito po ngayon po si Coach ng ano po, ano name po?
Owen.
Oh, si Coach Owen. Sir Owen, welcome ulit po pala sa semi-finals match with, of course, Mechanicos sa mga kalami. Sir, ano po maging parang key play niyo po ito para manalo po kayo? And eventually, lalabanin po sina Airport United po sa championship.
Siguro dito, yung dalawang key player nila, si Munibat siya, hindi naman iba-box. Kailangan lang depensahan ng Maigpet kasi scorer talaga.
Oo naman, nakatado talaga.
Siguro depensa lang kami talaga.
Sino asangin po papaputok niyo dyan para manalo po?
Lahat naman nagtiwala ako dyan sa mga player na yan eh.
Dami ba? Sa ibang ligas, nagkikita rin tayo eh. Yung itim na na CAS eh, nakita ko po.
Lahat naman yan marunong. Kaya, basta lang, tiwala lang, usap sa loob, at saka,
sige po. Okay, again, Coach, congratulations po for getting the semis and also, of course, mas maganda, to get all the way po talaga sa final.
Sana.
Good luck po against Team The Mechanicos.
Thank you.
Okay, may tumuli po Team CAS po yan. Mamaya po yan, CAS versus Team and Mechanicos sa ating second semifinals match. Okay, ito lang po ang Team Mechanicos clad in black and gray combination po yan. Along with Munib and number 42. They'll square against po sa Team CAS po yan, clad in white and green combination. Who will win? Who will go home? With it CAS or The Mechanicos? Okay, thank you po. Okay, thank you po. And also, okay, with us po Team Mechanicos, si Fort and yung coach po na sir. Again, welcome po lang po sa semi-finals match against CAS, sir. I think medyo depleted kayo, pero yung kabila pa is marami. Ano pa may key play niyo po para manalo po sa larong ito? What is your key play po?
Maganda yung combination ng team namin ngayon.
Okay.
Star player namin nandito kaya mukhang kaya-kaya.
Si Fort.
Ito, katabi na Ito, katabi ko.
Asahan namin na sana namin makuha namin sa depensa.
Okay,
Dali
po. Sige po, sir. And also, any word po pala sa before we start?
Good luck na lang sa kabilang team.
Okay, of course. Tama po yun.
Pati galingan.
Sige. With it po, again po, thank you po, sir. Congratulations for winning the series po. For the match. And good luck po against Team CAS po. With it po, mamaya po yan, back-back action po muli po between CAS and The Mechanicos. This is your Aviation Friendly League, aka dubbed as the Flying League. Thank you po, and stand by po tayo sa first quarter action. Okay, first quarter is about to start now. Both teams now receiving the final instructions po for the referees, from the referees po natin. Headed by QB, pool of referees po yan.
May ikon tayo based on our rules and guidelines. Report kasi tayo sa inyo. Umabot na tayo.
Okay.
Kaso, may ikon sir, wala tayo report sa kanila. Magkakaroon tayo. Isa lang naman. Based sa house. Okay, good luck.
Okay, coming up next po is CAS versus The Mechanicos. CAS and Mechanicos po coming up next po. Cast clad in white and green combination with stars and Qatar Airways logo, and also the Mechanicos clad in gray naman and black combination po tayo. This is your Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as the Flying League, second semifinals match between CAS and Airport United.
Wala sa pan? Ano sound?
May power siya. May power siya.
Tinanggal nyo yung pan?
Oh, tinagal ko, nilipat ko para magkaroon ako ng power supply.
Ano na yan? Nakapag-recharge na yan. Sound check. Sound check. Wala. Ba? Sige, ayusin na lang mamaya. Sige na, sir.
Testing. Oh, meron na.
Bench scoring tayo ha, bench scoring.
Okay, bench scoring po, sabi po ng natin punong referee. Okay, jersey po pala. Okay, jersey violation kagad. Take time free toss to be awarded by Rivera. Kulang kasi ng di sila naka-Mechanicos logo. Okay, basket made 1-0 kagad. Okay, first quarter action between Mechanicos and CAS. Munib and Company along with Fort versus Asinho, Abala, Lumawag, Rivera and si Roldan ng CAS. Okay, won by CAS. Abala, Rivera and Abala sa ilalim, 2 points kagad ang binigay. Wala po si Serrano, dahil naka-duty pa lang ngayon. Take note po ha. Uwi namin si Serrano, wala po siya ngayon, naka-duty. Bakalan kick pass kay number 20, si Yel. Pops up for 3. Wala. Abala for the rebound. Rebound completed. Kick pass kay number 1, Roldan. 2 points Roldan. Good ball. Number 20, Yel. 3. Number 16, 15. Yel, power move. Ilabas muna. Mike pops up. Ayun, si Munib. 2 points Munib. Munib, 2 points. Eto na kay Roldan. Cross the ball by number 4. Balik po po sa Mechanicos ang bola. Mechanicos. Munib. Number 3, Bakalan. Munib, rebound barrel, won by CAS. Strip. Nice foul committed by number 3, Rivera. On Rivera. Okay, still laman pa rin po ang team CAS ng 3. Rivera sa ilalim, 2 points. Number 4. Bakalan. 26. Nice steal. Again to Rivera. Rivera. 2 points. Jolens. Bakalan. Munib. Pops up. 28. Munib. Nice D sa ilalim nga lang. Munib na naman. 2 points and 1 play also by Munib. Munib shooting for the bonus free throw. The score is 4-9. Lamang pa rin po ang CAS ng 5. Munib. Basket made. 5-9. Okay, lamang po ng 4 ang team CAS. Abala, pops pasok. Nice basket by Abala.
Kuha, tulong.
Okay, ito na Munib. Take note po, medyo depleted po ang bench po ng medyo depleted po ang bench. Yel pops up. Yes, sirree. Pasok ang ano kay Yel. Roll down for 3. Nope. Rebound, di pakalan. Baklaan, fade away shot, stolen by Rivera. Dieso pass kay number 41. Nako ni Yel ang bola. Yel, 26. Rivera, kapos. Ingat. Munib. Baklaan. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Abala. Rivera. Foul committed by Mike. Number 4. Mike number 4 committed a foul. Mike number 4 committed. Roldan. Rivera pops up. Nope. Nando si Abala. And one play. Ito. Thank you pare. Ito. Pusara, wala? Okay, Abala, bonus throw coming up. This game is brought to you by Team SPB Doha. Salamat po kay Team Kapitan Iloso, Team LBC, hari ng padala. Abala, pops up. Pasok ang bola. Basket made niya Abala to Baklaan. Number 3 to number 26, Yel. Driving in. Munib, power move. Stripped away the ball. Nice D by Cas. Mukhang pinaghandaan yata ang kanilang kalaban. Pero tignan natin yan, maaga pa lang. Munib sa ilalim, Yel, no good. Again, one more time, Yel, fade away shot, pasok. Abala stripped away, nice. Defense read by Baklaan. Nope. Rebound by number 4. Number 41. And number 16, Rivera to Roldan for 3. Pasok ang bola kay Roldan. And the change 5 po tayo yun. Change 5 tayo. Ayan na sina 4, si number 35, si number 2, and number 10. Okay, pili-pili daw, pili-pili. Okay. Second 5, retain po si Mike, number 4 ng Mechanicos. Eto na sina 4th. Number 10. 4th, number 42. Polanto driving, number 4, Mike, foul. Who's foul rep? Number 11 called for the foul. Take 2, see Mr. Mike shooting for 2. Ako, panalo. Okay, Mike, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Mr. Mike, nope. 24, kick pass kay number 21. Naku, malabas. 20, traveling violation called. Nice D by number 35. Again, number 10, the Mechanicos on the trail. Joaquim pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound, number 35. 35. Colanto. 2 points, Colanto. Colanto, 2 points. Number 48. Amampang. 24. Kick pa, okay, touch pass by Colanto. Same ball pa rin po tayo para sa Cas. Same ball pa rin po tayo para sa bola ng Castro. To Armado, pops up. Nope. Rebound barrel, won by Colanto. And now to Mike. Walang pinasahan. Mabagal si Mike. Balik na naman. Number 48. Dandon si number 24. Foul on Colanto. 24 shooting for 2. That's Bautista ng Cas. At 3 minutes 10 remaining ng first quarter action. Bautista, first shot. Basket made. Second throw, jumpers ready. Bautista, second throw. 24. Nope, ayan si Fort. Still completed by Amampang. And one play made. Who's Paul Rep? Okay. Amampang shooting for the bonus free throw. The score is 11-20. First throw, Amampang. Nope. Foul. Early entry. Isa pa daw. Second throw again, bonus free throw again by Amampang. Amampang, bonus free throw. Isa na naman. Okay, third bonus free throw again kay Amampang. Kapos. Free bump by Fort. Fort against Amada. Amado. Whoop. Amado. Fort. Fort. Colanto. Colanto. Joaquim. Nope. Malakas. Rebound to 27. 27 to number 16. Number 48. 48 may tahan ng bola. 48. 48 Amampang. Lost the ball almost. Ayun! And one play sana. Foul again by Colanto. Okay, Bautista shooting for 2. This game is brought to you by Team LBC, Hari ng Padala. And also PSBQ Basketball League. Bautista, first throw. Basket made. Bautista, second throw. Bautista, second throw. Both basket made. The score right now is 11-22. Laman ng 11 ang Cas. Up. Pushing foul. Pushing foul.
24.
24 called for a foul. Colanto, inbound. Number 10, Joaquim. Number 2, Colanto. Colanto. Number 10, Joaquim. Number 4, pops up. 2 points. Bautista lost the ball almost. Foul again. Who's pang rep? 35. Blocking foul, 35 Castro. Penalty situation, Bautista shooting for 2. Bautista shooting for 2. This link will be published later. This will be edited, crop cut, and the link will be published later by midnight tonight. Bautista, second throw. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, 13-24. 11 ang kalamangan ng Team CAS. Si Mike na naman. Good ball. Walang tawag. Ito si Bautista. Bautista. Amado. 2 points, Amado. Amado against Fort. Malakas ang pasa ni Fort. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. The score is 13-26. Laman po ng 13 ang CAS. At 41 remaining. Amampang.
Try to shoot.
Amampang. Pops up. Malakas. Mike for the rebound. Maling pinasahan. And one play made. Okay, Amampang shooting for 2 for the bonus free throw rather. At 18 minutes, 18 seconds remaining. Amampang. Pasok. Joaquim. Bautista. And one play. Bautista again, bonus free throw coming up. Bonus throw, Bautista. Bautista, bonus throw coming up. Pops up. Basket made. 6 seconds remaining. Bautista. Wala na. Okay. Okay, that's it po. First quarter, kalas na po at 32-13. Laman po ng 19 ang Team CAS. Malalim ang bench nila eh. Okay. Okay. Okay, second quarter coming up. Okay, second quarter coming up. Okay, bola po ng The Mechanicos. At 13:32, laman po ang cast ng 11. Pops up, malakas. Ayun si 15, tumunib. And 1, sana walang tawag. 15:32, lamang ng 17. Pops up, kapos. Again, number 6. Rebound, Dimunib, nope. 11. Malakas. Baklaan. Baklaan to Munib. Munib. And one play. Munib and one play made. Number 26, Munib shooting for the bonus free throw. Bonus throw ni Munib coming up. Pops up. Nope. Okay, Umas. Umas as. Number 11. Power move. Pasok ang bola kay number 6. That's Flores. Baklaan. Almost had the ball ni Yel, number 26. 09 called for the foul. Okay, Yel shooting for 2. 17 po kalamangan po ng Team Cas. Yel, first shot, nope. Yel, second throw, jumpers ready. Yel, second free throw, jumpers ready. Pasok. 18-34. Lamang pa po ng 16 ang Team Cas. 8:43 remaining. Pilongo again. Pops up, number 6. Nope. Baklaan for the rebound. Up! Foul! Who's foul, ref? Double dribble rather. Double dribble. Okay, Umas. Number 11. 11 pops up. Pasok ang bola kay 11. Yel. Munib, humingi ng bola. Yel. Number 5, Walter. Nope, rebound din number 11. 11 to number 15. Number 15, 2 points, 15. Stolen away by number 6. Back-to-back points. Number 15, pops up, malakas, Munib. Power rebound and put back by Munib. Flores! Foul pa! Take 3. Baklan for the foul. Flores shooting for 3. Three shots awarded para kay Flores. Pops up. Pasok. Second throw, jumper shred. Second throw ni Flores. Pops up. Pasok ulit. And last throw, jumpers ready para kay Flores. Last throw. Pops up. Okay, oh, basket made. Laban po ng 23 na kaagad. Munib, ako yung rebound. Munib, number 15, to Munib. Malakas ang pasa. Number 15 si Yel. Yel. Pops up for 3. Bang!
Ball possession ba? Isa pa.
26, push from behind. Away from the ball.
Okay, counted pa. Again, foul on 26.
Nag-release na yun. Tumawag eh. Bakit sa
After nung inbound yun, sir.
Hindi ba i-release mo? Wala ka.
Munib! 2 points again.
Hindi po, pag sa dead ball siya, dead ball. Dead ball.
Again, 14, 18 na naman ang kalamangan.
Kabila!
Pops up. Nope. Rebound D number 15. To Yel number 26.
Tingin!
Yel. Number 5. Okay, foul called by number 11. Number 5, Mechanics. And timeout called by Team. Timeout called by Team Cas. The score is 25-43. 18 po ang kalamang panin po ng Team Cas.
Counted ba yan? 27 tayo. Bonus shot yan? Bonus? Ay?
Game. Factor ball game muli po tayo at 6 minutes 2 remaining at 25-43 ang score. Still Cas leading by 18 points. Cas 18 points in lead. Walter shooting for 2. Walter first shot.
Ayan.
Okay, 2 shots si Walter. Walter shooting for 2, pops up. Pasok. Walter second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Pasok pareho. Okay, 26-43. Formila, pinasa kay number 9. Number 9. Number 6. Number 9. Nice play pero nandun si Munib. Munib, nakawala. Ayan na si Munib. Munib nagmamadali. Si Munib! 2 points Munib. Parang sinubo. Parang gamot, tableta. Sinusubo lang sa ring ni Munib. Munib against number 11. Number 5 against number 11. Number 9. Number 9, may tangan ng bola. And to number 6, Flores. Nakuha ni Munib ang bola. Walter, 2 points kagad ang binigay ni Walter. Okay, the score is 30-43. Change 5 muli po tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, kompleto na po ang kalaban ng CAS, kaya wala na magtatawag. This time, second batch pumuli sina Mike Castro, Colanto, number 10, and number 42. Sa kabila naman, ayan si Abala, si number 48, 16, 24, and number 4 ng CAS. Sa ilalim, palpal. One more time. Nakuha ni number 6, number 2, Colanto. Ayan na si Mike. Mike na naman. Nope. Offensive foul called on 35. Hinawi. Okay, 48. CAS. Nakuha ng number 10, Joaquin. Nakalusot si Joaquin. 2 points, Joaquin. Don't look now. 11 na naman. From 23 points down to 11. 8-0 blast po ang ginawa po ng Team Mecanicos. 2 points, 48. Narinig yata tayo, kaya nakashoot na sila. And now, number 10, Joaquin. Joaquin. Number 2. And to ng Mike, number 4. Joaquin, nakalusot. Joaquin! Wala. Rebound barrel, won by white ball, cast ball. Okay, cast ball po tayo, cast ball. Enteng, tatlong laro siya, sabi doon nila. And Amampang, side step move. 2 points, 24. Enteng, support. Si Enteng. Walang foul. Again, 2 points. Timeout na ko by Team Mecanicos. Meron ba to? Check. Meron pa na. Okay. Okay, nag-time up po ang Team Mecanicos at 32-49. 17 na naman ang kalamangan ng Team CAS. 2 minutes 38 seconds remaining ng ating second quarter. Mike. Papasa kay Joaquin. Okay, nakalusot. Joaquin to Mike. Lost the ball. Stolen again by Fort. Mike, power move. What a move by Mike.
Nice, Mike!
Yan ba mga Mecanicos? Bumubuti at ng aeroplano yan ah.
Lalim!
2 minutes remaining. Nice by Colanto to Mike. Mike again. Mike pops up. Wala. Rebound to Colanto. Colanto nakalusot. Wala pa rin. Colanto muli. Up. Whose ball, rep? Same ball. Same ball po tayo. Colanto for the inbound. Papasa kay Joaquin. Hinahanap si Enteng. Malakas. Rebound bar, won by si Enteng. 2 points si Enteng. 36-49. 13. Malakas.
Physical.
Foul.
May meron kami isa. Tama kami dyan.
Okay, foul on number 10, holding foul. Caspo mag-inbound, ang bala. Abala, wala. Nakuha ni Mike ang bola. Nakuha ni Joaquin. Nakuha ni Bala ang bola. And to Amampang. Amampang, 2 points.
Tama.
Timeout called by Team Mechanicos.
Mechanicos.
Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. The score is 36-51. Laman po ng 15 ang Team CAS. Mike for the inbound. To number 10. To number 4, si Mike. Lost the ball. Nandong kay Enteng. Fourth. Pops up. 2 points. Amampang. 22 seconds remaining.
Drop sa ilalim, drop sa ilalim.
Nag-move. Amampang.
Drop sa ilalim!
2 points. Number 20. Number 4. Enteng. Foul committed. Number 6 called for the foul. 38-53.
Penalty na kami, sir. Seven seconds.
7 seconds remaining.
Last shot yun.
Okay, Joaquin for 3. Malakas. Hop. 1 second remaining. Abala. Baseball pass, catch and shoot, wala na. This is your Qatar Aviation Friendly League, aka the Flying League. Halftime po tayo. We'll be back po. And also of course, laman po ang CAS po ng 13. Halftime po tayo. We'll be back po. Okay, third quarter action na po tayo ngayon, mga boss, mga madam. Change court na po tayo ngayon at 10 minutes again. Laman po ng 17. 17 nga. Game. 38-55. Hormilia. Pinakamalakas ngayon. Roldan. Hormilia lost the ball almost. And number 41, 2 points. 41, 2 points. Baklaan. Munib. And one play made by Munib. Ayan na. Kumakayod na si Munib. Munib shooting for the bonus free throw. The score is 40-57 at 9 minutes 30 remaining for the third quarter action. $42-57. 15 ang kalamangan. Hormilia. Enteng, binabantayan si Roldan. Asinja. Nope. Nakuha na. Nakuha na Enteng bola. Enteng, nagmamadali. Enteng. Si Enteng. Crossing. Ayun si Munib. Foul! Lang ni Roldan. Munib. Power move. Foul again. Foul on 41. Munib shooting for 2. Munib first shot. Pops up. Tapos. Munib second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Munib second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Pasok ang bola. 43-57. Roldan may tahan ng bola. Roldan. Number 41 is Munib. Lost the ball. Roldan recovered. Roldan. Portilla. Pasok ang bola kay Hormilia pala. Hormilia 2 points. 43-59. Walter. Lost the ball. Roldan. Hop! Traveling violation ni Roldan. Baklaan. Nope. Si Yel. Enteng.
5 seconds.
Yel and one play. Almost had it. Okay, foul on Yel shooting for 2. Yel. Second first throw ni Yel. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Okay, papasok yung mga shock troopers po ng CAS. Hop! Early entry.
Pwede stop. Stop.
Okay, platoon substitution po ang ginawa po nila ngayon. Yung first 5 po kanina, pinasok na para sa CAS. Last throw ni Yale coming up. Pasok. 45-59. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound ni Munib. Munib nagmamadali. Munib to Enteng. Enteng. Malakas. Rebound ni Munib. Nope. Isa bala. Abala. Hop. Push si Walter. Abala to number 48, Amampang. Hoy! Traveling violation. Nice D ang ginawa po ng Mechanicos. Munib almost had the ball. 45-59 still. Munib shooting for 2. Munib shooting ko po tayo. First shot. Pasok. Munib second throw. Jumpers ready. Coming up. Pops up. Basket made. Basket completed. Number 48 ng Cas. May tangan ng bola. 16. Pops up. Almost steal the ball. And Gino Lenz ang bola. Tagal. First shot. Nope. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. And it's yes, sirree. Number 24, 47-60, 13 points po ang kalamangan na lang po ng Team Cas. Enteng to number 3, Baklaan to Enteng. Enteng, Munib, cake pass kay Yel, pops up, nope. Ayan, si Amampang, 2 points again. Baklaan. Munib. Again to Joaquim, malakas. Rivera pops up, 2 points again. Ayun ako, Munib na nga, Munib, number 3, 3 point, 2 points. Number 3, 2 points, 49-64. A 15-point lead ball game will still been enjoyed by Team Cas. And to number 48, Amampang. Pops up. Nope. Rebound ni Munib. Foul ni Abala. Foul ni Abala. Wala pang penalty. Yel, pinalabas muna para kay Castro. Si Enteng to number 3 to Enteng, number 30 si Castro. Enteng, short stab, malakas. Okay, 4 minutes 28 remaining. 49-64.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot.
5.
Hop! Enteng, naku yung bola. Enteng, 2 points. 51-64. Almost stole the ball. Pops up, tapos, and sumabit. May sumabit doon, sabi ni referee. May sumabit doon. Okay, pops up. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo, mga boss. Okay, basket made. 51-65. Enteng calling the shots. Joaquim, 3 points, Joaquim. (54-65) at 3 minutes 30 remaining. Rivera, Abala pops up, short stab, nope. Rebound ni Munib. Ayun na si Munib. Munib. Baklaan, kapos. Foul! Substitution ng Mike para kay Baklaan. Quality minutes committed by number 3. It's good. Okay, now si Enteng for the inbound. Number 6, papasok muna para kay 16. Bame na. Okay, 16. Flores para kay Rivera. Enteng. Enteng.
Sabay!
Joaquim. Nope. Rebound. Ni number 4 sang. Amampang. 24. Pops up. Ayaw. Amampang.
5 seconds.
Abala. No more. Time's up. Time's up. 2 minutes 5 remaining. Mike. Kay Enteng. Nagmamadali si Enteng na naman. Enteng. Pops up. Enteng muli. Enteng. 2 points. 10. Okay, striking distance na lang muli po ngayon. A minute 43 remaining. Foul committed by Joaquim. Joaquim committed for the foul. Okay, 41. 10 yan. Teka, ano, alive na. Abala. Hop! Up! Same ball. Substitution now. Asinjo in. 7 seconds to shoot. Number 16 out.
7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds.
7 seconds to shoot. Abala. 24. Naiwan. Pops up. Nope. Okay, same. Turnover again. Lamang na lang po ng siyam ang Team CAS. Fourth. Again. Joaquim. Bangs it in. Okay, 6 na lang po ang kalamangan puli ng CAS. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now a ball game.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Abala. Nice stab, Abala. Two points again by Enteng. Almost stole the ball by Munib. Nako ni Mike. Munib. Munib. Foul committed. Anim. Blocking foul 48. Munib shooting for 2. At 3 minutes 4 seconds remaining of the third quarter action. Munib. Basket made.
Warning, number 17. Continuous complaint.
Continuous complaint. Number 17, Abala, warning for continuous complaining.
Both teams penalty.
Both teams penalty situation. Munib, pops up, kapos, nakuha ni. Ay, wala na. Until 3 quarters, the score is 62-67. Lamang pa rin po ng CAS ng 5. This is your Aviation Friend League, aka the Flying League. This is now the semifinal phase of the games. And leading po is CAS by 5 points, 62-67. (62-67) po ang score po natin yun. Last 10 minutes na po para malaman kung sino po makakalaban po ng Airport United who won earlier over the Hub. This game is brought to you by also Team LBC. Salamat Team LBC, hari ng padala. And also kay SPB Doha, salamat kay Coach Kapitan. Okay, fourth quarter start. Inbounding ang Mechanicos. The Mechanicos inbounding. Tumakim. Enteng. Munib. Ay, the sky play. Munib again. Nako, sayang. Sabi nila. And now si Amampang. Amampang. Nope. Nakuha ni Joaquim. Munib. Lost the ball. Nice. Di nabala. Enteng. 2 points Enteng. Enteng almost 2 points. CAS. 62-69. Lamang gumilim ng 7. Yale. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound din number 24. Kunakuha na Enteng ang bola. Enteng naman. Si Enteng. Number 6. Walter. Nope. Nakuha rin. Check. Blocking foul called ng Enteng. Blocking foul, Enteng. Ilan siya si Enteng, sir? 42.
42? Wala pa.
Ilan?
Pinatay na tayo ng ace, ah.
Sakto.
Okay, third personal foul pala ni Enteng. Baklaan, okay na. And 3 points, no. Ayun, 2 points. Okay. 9-point lead na naman. CAS regaining ground again. And one play. Offensive foul. Kita talaga, Siko gumalaw. Whoop!
Time out. Time out here.
Okay, timeout of call by Mechanicos.
Pangalawa pa lang yun. Si Enteng, si Ford, 42. Tatlo. Time out kayo, di ba? Time out yan ha, time out. Mechanicos, time out.
Mechanicos called for the timeout. Pinatay na tayo ng ace yung post.
Mechanicos, time out. Time out tayo, time out. Mechanicos.
Okay, back to the ball game. Rivera for the inbound. Rivera kay Amampang. Amampang. Ayun, nice one. Nope. .48 called for the foul. Holding foul. Okay, siyam pa rin ang kalamangan po ng CAS. Walter. Munib. Walter. Pops up. 3 points. 2 points lang. 2 points lang. 2 points lang. Long 2, long 2, long 2. Long 2. 64-71. Lamang ng 7 ang CAS. Abala. Nakuha ni Walter ang bola. Walter!
Oh, wala na naman yun!
Okay, wag natin yan.
Tama na! Tama na! Tama na!
Pinatay kasi AC na uminit. Teka. Coach, doon ka muna.
Okay, both teams po, go to the bench. Both teams po, go to the bench please.
May call tayo kaya sa number 16 ng white. Ako shooting, 2 free throws. May technical tayo kay Walter. May technical tayo kay
Amampang.
48. Yan, dalawa na yung technical yan. Ngayon, compensating, equal penalties. As if hindi nangyari, wala tayong free throw. 2 free throws tayo. 2 free throws tayo doon sa ako shooting.
Ako shooting made 2 free throws.
Foul doon?
Coach ha, pakipalalaanan ha. Coach, pakipalalaanan ha. Ilan yung foul ng 40? Lagyan yung mga lang technical natin ha.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Oh, sino naman to? Katuwa na naman to. Sino? Okay, back to ball game muli po tayo. The score 6-7-71. Lamang na po ng 4 po ang CAS. Amampang against Baklaan against Walter. Number 16 Rivera, kick pass kay Bala, ayun sa ilalim. 2 points. Number 4, 2 points.
Screen!
Number 42 Enteng kay Yel. Munib. Yel. Wala. Foul. Foul committed ni Enteng. 4 personal foul ni Enteng yan. 4th personal foul. Warning for graduate Enteng. Tatlo. Malakas. Rebound. Di Munib. Up. Foul kay 24. 24 called for a foul. Loose ball.
Hindi ba penalty?
Isa pa.
One more team. One more penalty po ang Team CAS. Baklaan to Enteng. Fourth. Walang pinasa. Okay, take 2 muli po si number 24 ng CAS. Okay, substitution also will be made.
Sige, pwede ka naman pasok.
Okay, Hornelia in. Okay, time out kasi. Mami na lang.
Number 3, Baklaan, fourth foul. Both teams penalty.
Both teams penalty. Baklaan for personal foul also.
Number 42, fourth. 4 foul.
Five minutes, 22 remaining, 67-73. Lamang ng anim muli po ang Team CAS. If CAS win it, they will now set again a game, another finals match over Airport United. 24, Bautista shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second shot ni Bautista. Bautista, second throw. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, 7-point lead being enjoyed now. Baklaan. Nando si Joaquim. Joaquim! Wala! Good ball! 2 points. Munib. Munib, 2 points. Abala. Abala, binabantay ni Baklaan. 2 Armampang, binabantay ni Joaquim. Joaquim. Nakalusot.
5.
Abala. Foul called.
Both teams penalty. Both teams penalty. Both teams.
Both teams penalty.
Penalty, all penalty.
Pops up. Nope. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Joaquim, second throw. Pops up. Basket made. Okay, we have again a ball game. 70-46. 4 minutes 17 remaining. Abala. Amampang. Abala. Abala. Binaumba. Wala. Nakuha ni Munib ang bola. Ayan na si Munib. Ayan na si Joaquim. Joaquim. Munib.
Penalty both teams. Penalty both teams. Penalty both teams.
Okay, both teams penalty. Amampang. Shooting for 2.
Time out.
Timeout called by CAS.
Mechanicals, 1 timeout more.
Mechanicals.
Yes, 2 timeout pa.
Ang bola dyan. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. Okay, Amampang shooting for 2. Out of the foul from Joaquim. Amampang, first shot. Pasok! 70-77. Amampang, second throw, jumpers ready. Amampang, second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Nope. Okay, black gray ball. Gray ball, gray ball. Baklaan. Pops up, yell, wala. Kinapos na. Stop.
Nice one!
Sir, hawak!
Sa kandang sir, dapat sa kandang.
Hindi, sir, hinawak sa...
Okay, number 4 called for a foul. Munib shooting for 2. Munib shooting for 2. Wala. 3 minutes 21 remaining. Munib, last throw. Pasok. Okay, 6 na naman ang lamang. 6. Amampang. Abala, binabantayan. 24.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Number 4. Lost the ball, aba. Munib, nagmamadali si Munib. Foul.
Sir, kailan, sir? Yung graduate na, sir. Graduate na, sir.
Munib, 2 shots awarded.
Ilang foul na, sir? Apat na yun, Sagasa! Apat na yun!
Munib, first shot. Basket made.
Sagasa na! Apat na yun!
Munib, second throw, jumpers ready. Nope. Rebound para, won by 24. 2 points sana, nope. Dacolino. Enteng.
Sagasa!
Okay.
Sagasa na!
70-77. Enteng.
Four na yan, po!
Enteng.
Sagasa na!
Munib. Foul!
Grabe naman yun!
Usang lumapit, sir!
Tatlong tawag na yun! Pwede mo!
Wala!
Malaki yun. Hormilia. Abala, stolen the ball by Enteng. Joaquim. No! Nakuha na Enteng ang bola.
Two minutes, 4 seconds to go in the fourth quarter.
Ito na naman. Abala.
Last 2 minutes.
Amampang. A minute 55 remaining.
Ten to shoot!
Offensive foul!
Five na yun, di ba? Five na yun. Five na yun.
Wala, apat pala. Technical.
4 personal foul, Amampang.
Tama na yun. Apat na lang. Sa akin, di. Yung technical yan. Pangapat ko, di ba? Oo, technical. Yung technical kanina, pangapat.
Apat pala, sir. Kasama na yan. Ayan, oh, nakalagay siya.
Yung technical yun.
Ito na, sir. Oh, nakaano.
Tinatali.
Sandali ah. Kasi kanina tinanong ko, sabi,
Delay the game na kasi, sir.
pang-apat yung pan-technical. Pang-apat yung pan-technical. Tinanong ko kanina yun, sir. Pang-apat yung
Ayan,
technical.
ayan, oh.
O, tapos ngayon, tama. Coach, ayun, o, yun ngayon. Coach, excuse, pakikita ko sa coach. Ito, first, personal foul, technical, foul ngayon. Pang-apat.
Okay, official po is Amampang 4 personal fouls.
Yeah, tuloy.
Game. At minute and 43 minutes, 70 to 77. 5-point lead na lang po ang Team Cash. Inbound. Inbound Baklaan.
Ay, kanina, dito tayo sa foul dito, sa loob.
Baklaan for the inbound. Malakas. Up, kick ball. Gray ball. Lucky break. Nakatayo lahat ah. Kick ball. Back to Mechanics ng bola. Enteng. Munib nakawala. Munib. Uy. Foul by Baklaan.
Number 3, fifth foul.
Number 3, 5
5
personal fouls, graduate. Number 3, 5 personal fouls, graduate. Walter fourth up para kay Baklaan. Number 11, shooting for 2. Hormilia. Pops up. Pasok. 72-78. Pops up. No. Munib by Munib. Enteng nagmamadre si Enteng. Walter. Kapos. Enteng. Wala pa. Enteng. Palpal. Held ball situation.
Last time out na yan.
Okay, final timeout called by Mechanicos. The score is 72-78. Pinalaman pa rin po ang team ni Qatar Aviation Services. CAS. Okay. Game. Number 17. Again, Abala. Abala, binapatan ni Joaquim. Nakalusot si Abala. Abala, draining the clock. Amampang. Hormilia.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot.
5.
Hormilia. Hormilia. Number 4. Rebound din. Enteng. Nagmamadali si Enteng. Enteng attacking to Munib. Munib naipit. Foul committed.
Okay, 38 seconds ha.
38 seconds remaining. 72-78. Munib shooting for 2. Must win. Must do 3 free throws si Munib. Basket, nope. Second shot, jumpers ready. Munib, second throw, jumpers ready. Nakuha ni Munib ang bola. Munib! Okay, Munib again, shooting for 2. Munib shooting for 2.
Number 17, 5 na yun.
Number 17, 5 personal fouls, graduate. Last throw, Munib. Hindi nila Munib again. Pasok. Okay, pull up a foul on Walter. Walter called for the foul. Quick fouls. Rivera shooting for 2. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Pasok pareho. Munib again. Walter for 3. Nope. Foul on Walter. Okay, Bautista shooting for 2. 73-80, pops up. Basket made. Okay, second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. Well. For 3. Bang!
Foul!
Again, foul. Seven, 82, 5. Again, Rivera shooting for 2. Wala. Second shot to Rivera. Basket made. Nine seconds remaining. Okay. nag-concede na. Okay. Final 3 seconds. Okay, that's it. Congratulations and again, welcome to the finals, Team CAS. Congratulations po muli po, Team CAS, for winning the game. And also, standby po tayo for the post-game festivities. So, welcome again for the final, for the second time, Team CAS. Final score 83-77. Okay, congratulations po naman Team CAS po for winning the whole game. And again, okay, welcome ulit po for the finals, CAS. Coach, any words, Coach? Coach, any words, sir? Any word, please.
Thank you sa...
Welcome muli po pala for the second time around po, finals muli po against Team Airport United pala. Again, also, rematch po ito. Ano ba masasabi po natin, sir? Rematch po ito.
Paghahanda namin sila kasi malakas yung team na yun eh. May maraming malalaki doon and same defense pa rin.
Okay.
Thank you.
Abala! Abala yung kanilang pambatong si Abala. Abala, sir, congratulations po, sir. Any word po, sir, sa pagpasok po sa finals? Any word, sir? Sa finals, any word po?
Sana makalaro lahat. Kasama
Okay.
namin siya pati yung kompleto yung kalaban kasi rematch to eh.
Okay, rematch ka talaga eh. Okay, thank you po. Okay, shoutout, sige po.
Si Bayhope, saka anak ko si Panjin, si Francesca. Saka sa buong cast team.
Casting yan, buong casting. Okay, buong casting po. Buong casting. Sige.
Bibili ako sapatos.
Okay, Amado.
See you.
Naglimat sila.
Maganda ka na.
Naglimat sila.
Message ko sa iyo, sana sa sunod maka-score naman kayo ng isa lang.
Okay. Okay, sinilalabanan. Amampang. Halika rito. Oh, ikaw talaga. Amampang, congratulations po. Ikaw po parang pinakasusi po ng pagkapanalo po nila. Anyway po, sir.
Hindi po ako yung lahat ng ano po. Ito sila lahat po. So kung wala sila, hindi kami mananalo.
Okay. Okay, ano pa po, sir? Any word po, sir, sa mga kalaban po sa championship?
Good luck, Ebes. May panlaban kami si Zerbe. So good luck.
Okay, we did po. Again, this is again the rematch po within CAS and, of course, Airport United. Maraming salamat po. And muli po, congratulations po again for welcome again for the championship match po. Airport United and CAS. Thank you po muli po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo and see you po on the championships po.